All right, here's evidence card A. It says the average lifespan of sticklebacks in the current environment. We can see that for low level, for low level armor, they are fast. And now we can see the connection to their lifespan, and they live about 4 years. Medium armor, medium speed, about 2 years lifespan. High armor, slower speed, 1 year lifespan. Now this could be just, current, this includes predators, right? So we don't know about the environment yet. We don't know if there's a predator there and what that predator is. But what we do know is that in whatever environment this is, the higher armor sticklebacks are not living as long for whatever reason. And it says most sticklebacks reproduce about once a year. Okay, so if these are reproducing only once a year, a low armor stickleback would have the opportunity to reproduce 4 times in its lifespan, and a higher armor. So that means it's passing its traits on 4 separate times in its lifespan. And a higher armor would only be able to pass its traits on once.